What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back and watching another video. Today's video, Ultimate Vlogging Kit, Starter Kit. What is it that if you're looking to get started with vlogging, what is it that you should be buying? And I'm gonna show you what I use. And this is what I use for a lot of my review videos as well, or any of my videos, driving in the car, anything like that. We're gonna show it to you right here. So, if you just want to get started out vlogging, the best kit, in my opinion, is this. This is everything you need right here. Everything you need to get started is right here. This is what I use most of the time. So I'll go through it all really quickly with you. Now, there's other things I use in addition to this, but just to get started out, or if you just want to have a one-stop shop vlogging kit, this is it right here. So you could use this for anything and you don't ever have to do it again. I mean, you can take photos with it, videos, anything like that. Yeah, there's other things you can add to it to make it better, bigger, all that good stuff. There is other things that I do add to it. There's a lot of other things I have as well. But as far as just starting out, something you can just grab and go, keep ready on the table, this is it right here. So I have on here, we're gonna start with my little light. This is a Ulanzi light. It has several different brightness levels on it. This thing is great. Just to add that little light when you need it. It has several different settings. So again, Ulanzi light, all these will be linked in the description below. I also have my Rode VideoMic 2 here. This is not battery powered. It is not, does not have, batteries are not needed. It's not battery powered. It just plugs in with a 3.5mm jack, and you can use this on all kinds of things. But my Rode VideoMic, right there, guys. And it just hooks into the cold shoe right on top. All right, Rode VideoMic 2. This, again, Rode VideoMic 2, right there. There you have it. You need this. Mic makes a huge difference. I also have a wind muff that goes on this, but again, that's for like more, on down the line. You don't really need it unless you're gonna be outside a lot, but this does really well. I've not really noticed the difference with that versus just the one it comes with. Then you have a Joby tripod. You see what I just did? Just quick releases. Screws onto the bottom of your camera right there. Has a little level on it. Just snaps right on. Just like that. Quick release, push a little button in the front, comes right off. This thing is good because you can mold it, you can bend it, you can do all these things with it. I usually, when, if you're vlogging with it, it's gonna be out here like this. Gives you a little extra reach there. Wraps around things, uses a tripod. It's really good. I like it a lot. Again, this is for, starting out. This is a great tripod to have starting out. The camera that I use, it's a Sony ZV-E10. I got the white one. It does have a little flip screen, so you don't need an external monitor. I do have one, but you don't need it. You can use this right here. And you see it's got a little red box that pops around. It tells you it's recording, all that good stuff. It's really good. Again, Sony ZV-E10, that is what I use right there. Now, the camera is not that big. I have something, this is a necessity. If you get a Sony ZV-E10 or a lot of any other camera matter, it's a small rig cage. That's when you see it. It looks like it has a little handle here. It adds a bigger grip to it, so it feels more bigger for your hands. It protects it all the way around. It has all kinds of mounting brackets on it. I have a handle. They make a handle that screws in right here on the top, and I use that, but again, that's not for this video. So for this video, I do have the small rig cage on my Sony ZV-E10. I also highly suggest buying some of their small rig cold shoes, and you can mount them on the side like I have there and there, which is where you saw the Ulanzi camera at, or the light right there. That's how that was mounted. So you need that. And then the cold shoes, I do highly suggest them. So if you get those and put those on, you're gonna have cold shoes all over the place. You even got some on the bottom. For batteries, since we're at the bottom of the camera, I just use the batteries that comes with the camera. They go in the bottom. I have other batteries. I don't ever use them. I just use the one it came with. Charging cables, it's all the same. I use everything that comes with the camera. Camera provides you everything. Sony does, provides you everything you need to know, anything you need. Now the camera does have a built-in mic right there on the top. So I suggest getting this. Some people don't. It does come with a wind muff that pops in on top of the camera. Some people just roll with it like this. I say no, I say get the mic. It makes a big difference. So again, the smaller rig cage with some cold shoes on it. It allows you to attach lots of, I mean, even the light, honestly, if we circle back around to the light has cold shoe mounts on it. So, I mean, you have so many mounting opportunities once you throw this light on there with this small rig cage. I mean, there's so many mounting opportunities there. Now, for the lens, this is really important too. So the camera has steady shot on it, which makes it crop in a lot. Some of your bigger lenses, you won't be able to really get a good lock on your face when you're vlogging with it, because it's going to be zoomed in like right here on your face. So I have the Viltrox 13mm. Now, a lot of people use the Sigma 16mm. I chose the Viltrox 13mm just because it's like super wide. And I like to see a lot of my background. So especially if I'm doing videos on like detailing products and things like that, I need something that I can get kind of close with it. So I've not used the Sigma 16. It might work, it's on my list, I may get it eventually, but for video starting out, the Viltrox 13mm lens right there is what you need. I highly suggest that. So, you know, this is in your bag, so you pick the stuff up, ready to go. I mean, you can just clip all this stuff on pretty quick. So again, the Viltrox 13mm is what I suggest. Sony ZV-E10 camera with the Ulanzi light on the side, just in case you need that extra bump. Which, by the way, I'm filming this on my iPhone right now. So, and I have a ring light. So that's, yeah, lighting is really important. I have all my lights on here in the garage, just so you can see me. So again, this is right here, the Ultimate Starters vlogging kit right there. This is all you need, guys. And all the links to all these I have will be down below, as well as the link to my Amazon storefront. Please go in there, check it out. And there's all kinds of things in there, not just camera equipment or detailing products, there's all kinds of stuff in there. Even the little mic I'm using right now is Bluetooth into my phone, it's on there. So check it out, let me know what you guys think. If you have something better, you think maybe starters need to, whoopsie, it wasn't screwed down. If you have something better that you think people need to use starting out, just drop me a comment below, and let's see what we can come up with there for the starters. So again, there it is, right there, the Ultimate Starters vlogging kit. Now you can get all this right here. I would say starting out, I think the mic might be $100. This light was cheap, I don't remember. Small rig cage, camera lens. I think you could probably get all this now. I want to say maybe $1,200, less, under, maybe. If you get a deal, I might even get it for under $1,000. All of this right here, just like this. Again, this is starting out vlogging or forever vlogging. This right here is all you need. Again, there's other ones you can get out there that might be a little bit better, some better lenses. I have ND filters, I have external monitors, I have handles, I have gimbals. I have all this different stuff that I can use. But for starting out, best one and done vlog kit here. Actually, this is what I took on my grease trip on my Virgin Voyages cruise. Right here, that's what I took. So yeah, check all that stuff out below. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Until next time, see ya, bye.